apple is?
A baby frog.
Baby frog.
Yes. A frog. A beaver.
A caterpillar.
We have a beaver.
Look at all this pretty colors. Gotta stay kind of close.
Oh, the ducks.
Good.
Spread out. Spread out a little.
That's kind of funny. Really slimy. How do you keep your hands clean? The water.
Y'all see it?
Does that look close to you? Oh.
Coming this way. See this thing right here? See if it comes close, but don't splash.
Because we found another one.
There it is. Pretty cool.
Nice.
Oh! That's the frog. You saw that.
Did you guys have fun?
Yeah!
This is I believe it's a black fly larva. Kind of looks like it's just a leaf here. That's just the starting out of it.
I found one of those, but I didn't know what it was.
I'm gonna get What's something different between these two?
It's a tough question, guys. Very tough. It is something different between the two. I mean, they obviously both have wings and feathers.
One's gray and one's different colors.
Yep, there's definitely the different colors.
This guy wants to blend in, and this guy wants to stand out.
He looks like he might almost be like a tree. Like if you would hide right by a tree, you could see him. Not very well.
I want to see if I can stop him from going on my face like you guys did. That's the trick I want to learn. Just in case.
Yeah.
You know? This?
Yeah, you're just kind of, just kind of.
Look how he's climbing on there. He's just holding right onto the side. Could you do that? No. You were in there? Oh, I couldn't do that, I know.
This park is yours. You can come here just anytime you want and go look at wildflowers, go... Okay, I'm going to let go. And when I let go, this claw is going to raise a little bit, and it might scare you, but it can't pinch you. It can't come anywhere near the top. Matter of fact, if it pinches you holding it this way, then I'll let you kick my butt in front of all of these people. Does that sound good? Good deal? Very cool. It's kind of scary. It's okay, but he can't get you. You know what's happening, Rusty, is your hand is warming him up. And when the salamanders get a little warm, they move a little bit more.
You want to hold him too?
Go to your other hand.
Hands flat. Okay. Good job. Two hands together.
You want to do it, Carson?
There you go.
Let's do it. Guys, there's even more.
There's even more? All right.
Brendan, come over here. What? Brendan. Brendan.
So think about how big this coyote is compared to a raccoon. And this raccoon can scare a coyote away from its dinner.
Look how big that coyote is.
3 leaves? There's some of you over here, some over here for you guys to see. You see these 3 leaves?
Someone's breaking out with this.
So there's poison ivy. Poison ivy